Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Got a Freego DK200. It's like an e-bike motorcycle kind of thing. Pretty excited for it. Anyway. Nice. So my friends from Freego did send me this e-bike, 1200 watts. Turns out it can do like 35 miles an hour or 50 kilometers an hour. That's more like a motorcycle thing with pedals. Anyway, let's unbox it. Yeah, buddy. Good thing I got a Ram TRX, ladies and gentlemen. 2022 Ram TRX. Yeah, take it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Now that is some fine unboxing technique. Just poked a hole in myself. Don't worry, I can see blood. It's a big gash though. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, e-bike. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So this is the Freego EV battery. 48 volts and 960 watt hours. This should be a beast. With a 1200 watt motor. Excited. What I really like about these bikes is that sometimes they come with tools that boggle my mind. Like, what the hell is that? Whoa, looks like a Mercedes G-Class. Oh, so satisfying. Nice. Now the only thing left to do is mount the handlebar. It comes with a full throttle and a bell. I should not be putting these things in my mouth. Anyway, this is looking pretty exciting. It's like a Super 73 for a better price. Now, problem numero uno. That should be the rear brake. Now in Europe, left side rear brake, right side front brake. On this bike it's reversed. So that is an accident waiting to happen for me. Anyway, gonna change it up, put on the front fender. The battery should be charged, almost ready to go. Really looking forward to this one. Looks like a little motorcycle. I'm actually going to ride it. It doesn't have gears. It has just one fixed gear in the back, so it is actually way more motorcycle than it's a bicycle. I'm just gonna use the pedals anyway. Just in case you do run out of battery, you can pedal your cell phone. That's fine. Freego is done. Let's get the battery. Let's get rolling. Now, I mean, this bike is more like a little motorcycle. It's a lot of fun to ride, but I noticed that if you give it some throttle, not really sure what's going on here, but that's kind of dangerous.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Well, I do have to say, compared with other brands, this is absolutely a low budget model. Gotta be careful with it. It can go over snow, sand, grass. It can take on all terrains because of those fat little tires. We got the 1200 watt motor, 960 watt hour battery. Top speed, 25 kilometers an hour, but I have seen in other countries that they speed it up a lot. So I still have to figure out how I can make it faster. The tires are 20 inch by 4 inch. The total weight is 27 kilograms. Maximum load 120 kilograms or 264 pounds. That's a lot. The full charge of the battery takes about 8 to 10 hours and the range is between 40 and 65 kilometers or 25 and 40 miles. It's got a tail warning light just to be safe. Should have had a horn instead of a bell. So yeah, overall good and fun bike for a good budget. Now, the website says it should do over 50 kilometers an hour. And I still have to figure out how. Then it will be really fun to get the full potential of the 1200 watt motor. Yeah, gotta figure that out later. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I will leave a link in the description below for the USA market and the European market if you're interested in buying one of those species. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.